Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact Mailerlite. Let's begin. To contact Mailerlite for support or any other inquiries, there are a few options available. So once you are logged into your account here in Mailerlite, I want you to hover to the Help Center or Knowledge Base. How would you know it? Just go to the upper right corner where you can see the question mark option or icon. Click on it and you would be forwarded to the Help Center and Knowledge Base. All right. You have all of these options. Number one is going to be the email support. If you have questions, just create a ticket and one of the members or support team will gladly assist you. If you click on it, you would be forwarded here. All right. And then if you got a question, these are going to be some of your options. Confirm your account, how to get started, and a lot more. But if you can't find what you're looking for, click the contact us option here right here. Put in your full name, your contact email address. For example, this. And then type in your full name and of course the email address that is associated and click on send. All right. And then the next option is just click the live chat. You can reach out to any of the following support team via live chat available 24/7 to get instant answers to many common questions. But before that, you want to make sure that your account is confirmed by clicking on this option right here. You would be forwarded to this section. Now you have to just follow the on-screen instructions. For example, what content would you like to input? You can put it here and you can put in and describe your business, your social media URL, and click on the next tab. All right. But I need to answer all of these before you can be able to proceed. But then once you're finished, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps of the problem that you inquire. Or Mailerlite also has a contact form on their website. Go to the Mailerlite contact page, fill out the form here for the contact page, fill out the form with your inquiry and submit the form, and a representative will get in touch with you. Another option is going to be you can also contact Mailerlite on their Twitter account. They have social media platforms, not only in Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So these are going to be your options in contacting the Mailerlite. Or last option is going to be contacting the sales department. These are going to be the message. Put in all the information here, your email address, your full name, company name, and how many subscribers do you have in the country. Because sometimes the support staff is kind of like region specific. All right. And just put all your information here and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on any of your inquiries. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.